Today we have a sea animal box. This is a sea animal box and the ocean park. They are sea animal toys. Let's unbox this. We have a tray of sea animals. There are a lot of sea animal toys. The first one is a flying fish. This is a flying fish. The next one is a shark. This is a shark. This is a beautiful shark. The next one is a blue whale. This is a blue whale. The next one is octopus. This is octopus. The next one is a seahorse. This is a seahorse. The next one is a submarine. The next one is a crab. This is a beautiful crab. A crab. The next one is a starfish. This is a starfish. The next one is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. The next one is a manta ray. This is a manta ray. A manta ray. The next one is a shell. A narwhal. This is a narwhal.